Guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable replace notifications on your market coins app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. And all you have to do, you just click here on settings here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on push notifications. You come to next step here, then you go down. Just keep going down, come here to replace, click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that's mean here replace notifications enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.